show. Welcome, welcome, welcome to this evening. I want to tell you that the first time I saw Manjari, I just fell in love with her. I thought she was so cute and so adorable, and I love the way you guys present yourselves. I love the sassy, sasso bit. I love your art, your very, very unique style of dressing, which is just so you. It's lovely, and your flowers and the music that you use. And your art is beautiful. And I'm dying to taste your yummy food. So I'm
Come
a
to Goa,
super fan of yours.
come to Goa.
Yeah, I'll do that. Seriously, next time I'm in Goa, I'm coming there. And so this evening, I've asked Manjari to join us to talk about self care, self love, and what she has let go of to live this wonderful life that she lives in Goa. So, Manjari, over to you.
Okay. So maybe I'll just it's like what did I do? Okay, so I will talk about everything after the breakup because I think that's when another life started for
Yes.
me. But
Yes.
I was lucky. I had two children. I left the house, but I didn't take them with me because they were still young. They were I think 14 and 16, something like that. And
Okay.
I left without any alimony or anything. I didn't want anything because I didn't want any bad relations or anything. So I said, I will make my own life. And luckily, I had my father's house and I could just go there. I had studied applied art. So what I did was I did apply for a couple of jobs. I got a lovely one at the Marriott. The Marriott was just beginning, the JW.
Okay.
And I had a job over there for a year and it was good. Basically, the thing is that the economics were different and we all have to work through that part of life, yeah?
Yes.
But more than that, what I would say is what happens to a person. You know, I think what I was very lucky is I was a voracious reader when I was in school, loved English as a language. I went back to reading. I read and read and read a lot. I think I started with Richard Bach and Illusions. His Illusions is something which is illuminating.
Yes.
I read Osho, which was a big help. I read Walt Whitman. I read Rumi, another gentleman who absolutely marvelously puts things into perspective. I also read quotes from the Gita, which were very relevant and they worked very well. So I think
In everyday life.
yes.
Yes.
So just for that, I think someone said they love Walt Whitman and Rumi too. Yeah, these guys. If you give yourself some time and if you try to read and if you try to understand what they're trying to say, and I think like he says, the light comes in from where the wound is.
Yes.
When you're wounded,
Yes.
is honestly when you start to understand. So of course, I used to love poetry even before that, but that's when you truly understand what they're trying to say to you, and that makes a huge difference to what is happening within your head
And your heart.
and your heart.
Within your head and your heart. Your heart kind of cracks open to
Oh
a
yeah,
softness.
yeah. There are moments of madness and there are moments of merciful quiet,
Yes.
and you have to find the balance between the two. I knew that the kids at some point might want to leave and come across to wherever I would be. So I was working towards that. It took me a while, but I did it. I had a home, and then my son was old enough, and he had actually done catering, but he joined a call center. Then he joined Jet as crew. So he was running the house.
Okay.
And paintings is not something where you can, make a lot of money.
No.
I know everybody knows that. You might sell, you might not. But luckily, because of him, we had a bit of a steady income. And then I we could work. I worked, my daughter worked. Then luckily my daughter found someone and well, got married. We had a wonderful marriage for her in Jaipur. Absolutely
Wow.
wonderful. The person who supported me through all this was my mother-in-law. She was
Oh, bless her.
always there. Yeah, she
Bless
was a
her.
wonderful lady, and she did everything that she could, and with the nicest of understanding and all the love that she could give the grandchildren, of course, and the support that she gave me. So that was good. So I think for me at that point, reading was extremely important, and I think I passed through that phase of my life because I read a lot. That was one.
Books were your best friend.
My children.
Okay, your children were,
Yeah,
wow, that's beautiful.
absolutely. Word and art. I'm not a very social person, unlike what people think I would be out, but no, I'm not. Even this is difficult for me because I'm not a person who really goes out and sits or has some very close friends and conversations.
Okay.
I don't do that. I'm too shy and quiet for that. That's a whole different me. Then I came across something which hit me very hard, and it said it was just something someone had written that don't take offense. Now that's another line like that, which really
Yes.
found its thing in my vocabulary. Don't take offense with what people say or what they do, because if you let that affect you, your life is changed forever. And we don't really want that. We can't have that. So that's another thing which I have taken even today. If somebody says something and someone says something, it's them.
Yes.
It's not
Yes.
a reflection of what I'm doing. It's a reflection of who they are as a person.
Yes.
So I think that's what I understood. I'm sure you connect with that too, right?
Absolutely. I've just talked about this yesterday. That if somebody makes you a villain in their narrative, do you become a villain? It's their narrative. It's
Absolutely.
their story.
It
They
is.
need to say something that makes sense to them. It's got
Yes.
nothing to do with
No,
you.
it is.
So I would be foolish to take it personally.
Yes.
But I've learned this only as I've grown older. Like it
Absolutely.
hit me one day,
Yeah.
not when I was younger.
Yeah. Yeah.
So like what
No,
you're
it
saying,
takes time.
don't
It
take
comes
offense.
over a period of time, the
Yeah.
whole understanding of how
Yes.
you're going to deal with this life,
Yes.
because we are so, the social impact of everyone's lives is so strict, and you say there is a format, and you got to stay within the format, and that doesn't always happen. So what happens when the format breaks? Then you have to got to make your own life, your own way, your own rules. No, and not easy for women anywhere in the world. Not. It doesn't matter if you're a developed country, non-developed country, whatever. You still have to go through a lot of stuff so that you
Yes.
can understand what's going on. Yeah.
Yes.
So that was one thing. The other thing, and this came on a little bit later, I think in my 50s. I think it came out of Osho, and very with full awareness, he said to choose happiness. I know it's so easy to say that, and people think how foolish. Everyone chooses happiness, no? But we tend to wallow, we tend
Yes.
to collect our baggages, we
Yes.
tend to throw up our insecurities, we tend to do a lot of things which are wrong and which don't allow us to be happy.
Seriously.
So at some point, I think in fact, that's one of the things I think which I decided, okay, I don't understand this now, but maybe if I work on it, maybe if I think about it, maybe if I look at it and really try to imbibe it,
Yes.
choose happiness. Do not
Yes. I
choose
feel you have to
the
actively work at
yeah.
you decide, choose happiness, choose peace, and then it has to be an active commitment every day, again and again to go back to that.
Absolutely.
You
Oh,
can't just say a statement and then expect it to
no,
happen. It's
very,
hard
very.
work.
You can't. It is work.
Yeah.
Every day of your life is work, which is absolutely true. And that's fine. We all have to work. Nothing happens without work. we work in our kitchens, we work with our thing, we cook, we clean, we paint, we do whatever it is. Yeah. So the thing is that was another one little two-word phrase which I tried to live by. I tried to say, okay, maybe it makes a little bit of sense when in any situation I choose not to be a victim. I choose to be happy.
Wow.
And
That's
I think
great. So
my
books, you read a lot of books,
yeah,
Rumi and
yeah,
Walt Whitman,
yeah,
and secondly, you don't take offense.
I
You
do.
decided one day that I'm
I
not
try
going to
not to
take
take offense.
offense.
Yeah,
And the third is you chose happiness actively.
yeah.
You chose happiness actively. So 3 points so far.
Yeah.
Amazing. Then,
Very important. I think all three of them make sense
yes,
when you look at it and then you work at it.
yes.
And again, I was lucky. I had two children who always supported me and said, okay, whatever it is that you want to do, we're here. And we worked together. We did a lot of things together. And then, of course, they were both married and it was lovely. And we were all very happy in the city of. I'm Bandra born and bred and a Mumbaikar to heart, to the core. But the pandemic hit.
Yes.
And my daughter first moved into Goa
Okay.
in February 2020, I think, and then 19 no 20, right? And
20
20,
March.
20
Sadly.
March, and she moved that February, and you know what happened to Mumbai?
Yes,
We
yes.
didn't enter. I was with my son in those days, and we didn't even get into the elevator for 3 months.
No, same here.
Right? We
Yeah.
just couldn't. And Naira was born the last July 19, and she was not even like a year old, and it was claustrophobic and very difficult, and the fear and the thing. And so the last thing was, then my son got offered a place in Goa for a month. We drove. I drove for 14 hours because Samira couldn't drive. Naira wouldn't let her.
Oh,
So yeah, I was driving my little Polo and she was behind with the girl, and Akshay and Hans were in the car in front of us. We made our way. We left early morning. We were here at 9 in the night. And before that also, when we were living together and we couldn't step out, I think the only thing was she used to ask me for something, and she asked me to start. I was cooking something and she said, can I shoot this? And I said, okay. And no makeup, no nothing, just as we were. And I made that one rotla that the Jains, my mom's Jain, and they used to make it.
yeah.
And I think that went viral because
Yes.
everybody was home.
We were
And you
all
needed to
cooking.
use
We were all
food.
following
Yeah,
these recipes. Yes.
yeah. That was one of the first things we did. And I think that rotla reel pretty much went viral because
Because you
it was
guys
such an
were
easy
awesome.
thing.
The
Yeah.
rotla was good, but you guys were so awesome.
Yeah. No, it was fun. And then, of course, the one reel that she decided, Jennifer and I think J-Lo and Ben Affleck did something. And she asked my son, and my son laughed. My son said, I'm never doing anything like this. Turns around, her mother tells her, why don't you ask your mother-in-law? And she asked me. I looked at the reel, and it was a very sweet little thing. And I said, yes.
Oh,
So I think somewhere, I don't, I say yes. I say yes to things that are offered to me, like with you. I don't
thank you.
always say no because what's the point? Yeah, we're living a life and we're doing things, and as long as not something horrible and terrible, say yes. I think that's something which has worked for me.
Yeah, so the fourth thing is say yes to things
Yeah,
and be open to adventure
yeah,
because driving 14 hours to Goa is like a
yeah.
very
It
adventurous thing you did.
was. I mean, I thought Samira would be driving and I look after Naira, but Naira, being so little, refused at that age. And she
Obviously.
didn't like cars. She didn't like driving. Even after we reached Goa when she was a baby, she would not like driving. It took a while for her to say, okay, now I like driving. So I had to drive. We made roadside stops, couldn't go into any hotels, and couldn't do anything,
Yeah.
just on the road.
Crazy.
You know. So I think the last thing that I would like to say to anyone is when opportunities knock, open the door. Say yes. Open the door. Say
Fantastic.
yes. Yeah. I think
When
that
opportunity,
matters.
yeah. Say yes and try something new.
Yeah. Absolutely. Go ahead and try. It's fine. It's okay.
Yeah, like when I asked you, I was really nervous. I said, like firstly, she got
Yeah.
really lakhs and lakhs of followers. I have some
No.
3,000 or something.
No.
And, I was like, I didn't even ask Marion. I didn't want to do it that way.
Right.
I just
Right.
wanted to contact you
Yeah.
directly. And if you said no,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
People say no also. There's no hassle with that.
No,
But
but
I
see,
just
you're
felt
also
such a
you're
connect.
known. I have also grown up watching you doing ads and this whole glamour thing. Everything that you did, it was lovely.
Yeah.
So I know of you. I don't
Yes.
know you, but I know of you. And I think you've always been a wonderful model, and you've done everything so well.
Thank
So I think that's what works for me.
you. Yes, and I agree with you. Just say yes. Don't shut doors. This no shuts a lot of doors unnecessarily. So, would you say that living in Goa, you were able to adjust easily because of the lifestyle that you've chosen? Like you're not very social. Your children
So that's the thing. For
are your
me,
life.
both my kids are in Goa. My daughter lives in Goa. My son lives in Goa. I have 3 grandchildren. They go to a wonderful school now. So all of that, for me, the family is prime. Yeah.
Yes.
So here I am with all of them. And that is really working for me because I don't think I could live away from them.
How
I have a home in Alibag, but it gets difficult and more difficult to come all the way there. I do come to
Yes.
Bombay whenever I work, and then I do go. But yeah, for me, being around the kids is I'm blessed.
So tell us what a day in the life of Manjari looks like.
Oh my God, it's mad.
I want to know.
So what I do is I live in both the houses. I
Okay.
spend a week, 10 days in each house. That way I get to be with the grandchildren. So
Okay.
once they're gone to school, I'll be with whoever. If I'm with Samira, we're probably doing some rubbish. If I'm with my daughter, I'm cooking something that, she and I would love to eat together. Nothing, it's a very easy life. My daughter tells me it's been 3 days you haven't stepped out of the house. Why don't you?
Yeah.
I have no need, honestly. I'm not a person who needs to walk out every day or find people or need to converse or talk. Very happy being my own.
That's lovely. And then what about the reels? When do you make these
Those,
crazy?
yeah, so when I'm here, she comes up with all these ideas. Samira is an absolutely fabulous content creator.
Yes.
She directs,
You've got a wonderful
she writes,
mind.
she does
Crazy mad
everything.
mind.
Yes.
Yeah.
She's absolutely fabulous at that. So she
Yeah.
says, okay, now we have got to do this and just dress up for it. Now, the only thing is, I do dress well. I like to dress well.
You dress
So
very
that
well.
works for me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did you
when I'm
always
here,
dress like this?
always.
Did you always dress like
I've always worn boots, and my son has always made fun of me. He's like, we live in India. It's not even like cold. But if I wear open-toed shoes or slippers, I can't walk in them.
Okay.
I have always worn closed shoes and boots.
Wow. I love it.
That's how it
I love your saris and boots and your gold sneakers and your pink sneakers. Your pink sneakers are so cute. This
Those are
color.
Puma, I think. Pumas.
I love
Oh
them.
my God. I saw them and I just bought them on Amazon. Amazon for the lowest of prices, I can tell you.
So
I'm just
cool. That's lovely.
I'm just lucky. Yeah,
And tell me another thing, the colors that you choose.
I think because I paint, I'm not scared of colors. So I
Okay.
can wear any color on earth. Only my lipsticks, I'm a little bit like today, I know I'm wearing, but that's come after Samira says, wear it, put this on, put that on. Yeah. So makeup is not something I ever did, but now I have learned it just a little basic. But yeah, that's
So even lipstick is something that I've recently started using. I was an eye makeup like kajal. You know,
right.
Mama's kajal
Yeah.
was made at home, and I used to use that, but not,
Yeah.
not anything. And I don't know. I think because of the camera, then
Yeah.
if you use little color, it
Yeah.
just looks
That's
brighter. So I
yes. Yes.
think
Yes.
we've learned.
Yeah.
Those of us in our 60s, we've had to learn new things. I'm also the other side of 60,
I know. I
67.
think we're very close to each other.
Yeah.
So we're,
And
yeah,
I think this is the best time of my life.
it really is.
I think I've been the most cool and chilled and whatever. I just accept things in a very happy manner,
Yeah.
whether they're good or not good or anything.
Yeah.
Yeah. You're just
Lovely.
older and more accepting.
Yes, for sure.
Which would be your favorite book? Your favorite?
I think I would go to Richard Bach and Illusions.
Yeah,
I think
I
that
love
was a
it.
game changer for me.
It was a game changer for so many of us.
Yeah.
And I like Road Less Traveled by Scott Empek.
Okay.
My family would tease me and say Roadless Traveler, but it had a great and very deep impact on me somehow. And I love Eckhart Tolle.
Oh, yeah.
You know, you were talking about this, that you choose to be happy and we carry our pain around.
Yeah.
So he calls that carrying the pain around a pain body sack. He
Yes,
said it's like a sack.
I just read that one chapter. My son-in-law, I think, was reading that book, and I
Yes.
read only that chapter on pain, and I found it wonderful. Very nice.
So beautiful. It's so true. And we don't need to be that. We can just melt it all off and choose to be happy
Yeah.
in this present moment.
Absolutely.
And of course, it's not easy.
Yeah.
It takes time and takes work.
Yes.
And yeah, but eventually you do get there. Not that you don't. So there's
Yeah.
hope.
I
Okay,
think
so
it's lovely. I think, like I said, we're just very blessed, and at this age, I think
Yes.
I'm just happy to be doing whatever I am.
yeah, in a very good space. That's the main
Yeah.
thing. You know.
True.
It's a blessing to be that way. Okay, so then we've come up to brunch. So then you may have brunch or you may cook for your daughter. And then what do you do?
I have to have my 1 hour nap. 3 to 4, I'm
thought
gone.
as much. So 3 to 4.
3 to 4,
Okay.
I'm gone.
Okay.
3 to 4, nothing can change that. And then, of course, the evening with the bachas, just having fun with them. And that's it. Early dinner, 7:30 dinner. By 10, I'm in bed.
Even I'm out for the count. At what time do you wake up?
7.
Okay. I wake up early because I
7
walk in the morning.
happy to wake up at 7.
Yeah. So that's a really good sleep.
It's a very
what
simple
would you say?
day. Very simple day.
It's a
Nothing.
lovely day.
Yeah. I love it.
It's a lovely day. It's not simple. It's lovely. It's beautiful. And you're in nature. My God. Heaven. Just
Yeah.
heaven.
There. Look behind me. Beautiful.
Yeah.
It's lovely.
It's beautiful. So what would you say is Manjari's mantra?
I think, like I said, all the little ones that I've learned, and no, that apart from that, nothing. This is
Okay.
it. You accept life because everything happens. You just have to go with it.
Everything happens. You just have to go with it.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's see if there are any questions here for you. No, everybody's just our beautiful Manjari ma'am needs her beauty sleep. I love it. She loves it. We all love our beauty sleep.
We do.
Manjari Varde, you are such a lovely lady.
Oh.
Keep up the spirit. Jesus loves you. Yes, Jesus
Thank
definitely
you.
loves you.
Thank you so much.
Oh, sweet. Yeah. Oh, people are so cute.
Yeah. No, that's true.
People are really, bless them all. Bless. That's all I can say. 3 questions. You know, people want to join. No. Okay, so I can't see any other question.
No, that's lovely.
Yeah. Anything else you'd like to say, Manjari?
No, I'm good. And thank you for this, Nandini. I'm glad I did it. And yeah, it was great.
Yes, thank you so much.
Yeah.
Really, I just love the stuff you do, and
Thank you.
I look forward to the new videos every day.
Lovely.
And thank you everybody for joining in.
Yes,
It was
thank you for joining us.
lovely to see all the hearts and the waves.
Yeah.
So keep coming back for more. Bye, Manjari. Thank
Bye.
you.
Thank
Bye.
you. Thank you so much.
Bye.